Hey guys, here's a quick unboxing video for the Anker 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. That means it can deliver up to 15 watts wireless charging, I think, to your iPhone because it has a made for MagSafe badge and also made for watch badge, which means it's really compatible for all the Apple Watches that you guys have. This is pretty amazing because you can charge your phone, you can charge your AirPods, you can charge your watch all at the same time. I'm doing these unboxing videos just so you guys know what you're getting inside the box before you're actually going to buy or before you actually pay. Here's what's in the box for the Anker 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. It's already this. It's a charger itself. It's the box. Well, it's a box. It's a cube. It's a cube. You can take it out. That is heavy. That is pretty heavy. You see the Anker logo over there. The port for the USB-C, it's color blue. When it's color blue, it's supposed to be fast charging. You just flip it up like this. You put your phone there. And then you're like, hey, if that's where you put your phone, how about your watch? Diba? Medyo masikip na yata. Nope. There's a slot over here that goes out. And then you can put your watch over there. Let's try it right now. The watch goes there. And there's another slot at the back which gives you space for your AirPods. So that's how it looks like. There's one more box at the bottom over here. So you just take that out. So this small rectangular like box gives you the paperwork. Man. I thought it was something else. It's just the paperwork over there. They also spent on this cardboard just to separate all the pieces. I guess it's quality, but it's also wasteful. And you get this brick that comes along with it. The brick actually is important because this is what delivers the power. So don't use other bricks when you're using this. I think it has to have the same kind of wattage to be able to enjoy that fast charging capabilities of the charger. So sayang kasi pag bumili kayo ng ganito tapos ibang brick yung gamit nyo, hindi rin ma-utilize yung fast charging. So this is the official one from Anker. As you can see, there's a blue USB-C port over there. If it's blue, again, I guess it's something premium. Even with data transfer. So if it's blue, it's faster data transfer. I guess this is, if it's blue, it's faster power delivery. USB-C wire. Connect that to the port at the back, connect that here, and that's how you plug it in. I think that's it. If you need instructions, it's here, but it's pretty straightforward. You plug this in, you plug this in there, and then the wire goes at the back. That's it. That's your Anker 3-in-1 cube with MagSafe.